Bali, Indonesia? No, it's Antipolo, Rizal.
Cause I'm really in love with you. When I'm looking at pictures of you, I remember moments and my heart feels like you. You've been a big surprise. My soul now feels alive. And now I know the thrill to fall in love. Cause this is real love. I know it's real love. Now I know that we can fly to any distance, anytime. Real love. I'm feeling real love. In your arms I know I feel like home, and I'll never be alone. There's a beautiful day outside. If you know how to make it shine, you know that I'll be there for you. Because you're everything to me. I'm finally feeling free. All of what I dreamed.
Welcome to my channel, Froggy Bear Travels. Like, share, and subscribe. So for today's vlog guys, samahan nyo kami and magta-travel ulit tayo. So andito nga tayo sa Antipolo, Rizal. And magre-relax and mag-a-unwind tayo sa isa sa mga pinaka popular and dinadayong hanging garden spa dito sa Antipolo, Rizal. So tara na guys, samahan nyo kami and let's go! So ayun na nga guys, touchdown! Lulietas Hanging Garden and Spa. Alam nyo ba guys na this is our second time dito sa Lulietas Hanging Garden? Yung first visit namin dito was last 2019 and now it's 2022. So balikan natin siya ulit for the second time. So andito na nga tayo sa kanilang entrance guys. So make sure you have the following checklist accomplished before coming here, like health declaration form, hotel waiver form, and Antipolo Pass QR code kasi hahanapin niya nila dito. So, temperature check muna tayo. For more details on how you can book your online reservation here, watch my other vlog entitled Lulietas Hanging Garden, All You Need to Know, Travel Guide 2022. Andito lahat guys, lahat ng info and rates as well. And now guys, we're done with our temperature check and also na-scan na rin nila yung ating health declaration form. So we are ready to go. Dito na tayo guys sa kanilang reception and front desk area. So now guys, once they confirm your booking, they will provide you with a wristband like this. So itong wristband na ibibigay nila is we need to wear this the whole time stay natin dito sa Lulietas. So this wristband will serve as our accommodation band. So now guys, after the reception, one of their courteous and accommodating staff guided us papunta na nga dito sa hanging garden facilities. So now guys, dito nga located yung different kinds of swimming pools nila like heated jacuzzi, hydro massage pool, infinity pool, meditation lounge, and also dito rin makikita yung kanilang locker room. So ngayon guys, kunin na natin yung ating locker key and they will also provide a robe and a towel. Good morning! So ito na nga guys, so ito yung pinrovide nila sa atin. So it's a basket of a traditional batik robe, locker key, and a towel. So ito yung ibibigay nila sa atin. So now guys, everything is set. So now we are good to go. Check na natin yung kanilang different kinds of swimming pools and facilities. So let's have a walking tour of the place. Let's check this out. So first stop natin guys is the jacuzzi and mini infinity pool. So andito yun guys, check this out.
Cause I'm really in love with you. When I'm looking at pictures of you, I remember moments and my heart feels like you. You've been a big surprise. My soul now feels alive. And now I know the thrill to fall in love. Cause this is real love. I know it's real love. Now I know that we can fly to any distance, anytime. Real love. I'm feeling real love. 'Cause you're everything to me. I'm finally feeling free. All of what I dreamed, and now I find it next to me. I come to understand, this is what I want to share. And that's what happens when we fall in love. 'Cause this is real love, I know it's real love. Now I know that we can fight to any distance,
So
anytime.
guys, this is their jacuzzi. And then, ito naman sa kabilang side yung sauna. And ito naman yung kanilang infinity pool. So, yan. So, later on, i-check pa natin yung ibang infinity pools nila dito. So, dito sa area na to guys is magkakalapit yung garden nila, yung sauna, and then jacuzzi, and yung first infinity pool nila. So, dito sa area nito, andito silang lahat. So now guys, dito nga sa paggamit ng heated jacuzzi is meron silang friendly reminder dito na per person you are only allowed to use this for 15 minutes. And then later on, kapag gusto mo ulit bumalik, you can come back again. But again, 15 minutes lang ulit. Talaga guys na very relaxing and very cool yung ambience dito sa Lolietas Hanging Garden. And talagang nature at its finest talaga. Very lush green yung makikita nyo dito sa buong area. And ito naman guys, yan, dyan sa area na yan is pwede kayo dyan mag-relax and magkwentuhan and just enjoy the nature. So now guys, after dito sa area na to, ang next naman nating pupuntahan ay doon sa may Dr. Fish area. So ito na yun guys, let's go!
Alright, so mga ka-adventurer, second stop, this is what they call the Fish Doctor area. Yan, maraming mga fish doctor. There you go. So medyo nakakahilo. Sensya na kayo. So we'll try this one. Tignan natin kung effective ba siya. Alright, so guys, this is the third spot. A must stop spot here in Lolietas Hanging Garden Spa. And this pool, I think this is the infinity pool with the hydro massage, which is right over there. So yeah, so if you have like any back pains or whatnot, ganda siya. Okay, more later.
So now guys, andito na nga tayo sa third stop and this is the hydro massage area. So as you can see, napaka-relaxing itong view na to, especially overlooking this beautiful nature. So talagang mapapa-nature at its finest ka talaga dito. And I'm sure marami kang matitake na magagandang pictures dito. So talagang best spot ito talaga, especially kung merong kang back pains or back aches. Kasi itong hydro massage na to, nakaka-soothen talaga siya ng mga back pains and back aches, especially sa likod. Very relaxing siya, especially yung ganitong kagandang nature na makikita mo. So talagang total relaxation for the body and mind. And also guys, isa pa sa nagustuhan ko dito sa Lolietas is that they only limit the number of people coming, since by reservation nga ang pagpunta dito is that hindi overcrowded itong area na to, which is nice, especially ngayong new normal. So syempre ayaw natin makipagsiksikan dun sa maraming tao. So kung gusto niyo talaga ng privacy and gusto niyo na ma-enjoy ang nature, so this is a perfect place for you. Alam nyo ba guys, na nakaka-happy talaga tong place na to. Even though na second time na namin dito, still nakaka-excite pa rin and nakaka-enjoy yung mag-swimming dito. So now guys, let's move on to the fourth stop. And this is Lolietas Hanging Gardens Infinity Pool. So tingnan nyo naman guys, wala kang masabi kung hindi WOW. Wow! This is picture perfect, scenic, and lovely scenery. Look at that, guys. And finally guys, this is our last stop. This is the Lolietas Place Garden. And dito sa garden na to guys, makikita nyo tong mga koi fish na to. Look at that guys. Ang gaganda nilang tingnan and ang lalaki rin nila. So very relaxing pag masadan tong mga koi fish na to. So ayan guys, I hope you learned something today sa vlog natin. Stay safe and healthy everyone. Thank you very much for watching my vlog. And comment down below if you are planning to come here anytime soon or if nakapunta na rin kayo dito. Share your experience naman dito sa comment section below. Thank you very much guys for watching my vlog. Stay safe and healthy everyone. Subscribe to my channel, Froggy Bear Travels. Bye!